Do you hear those wild animals?
Yeah.
What kind of animals are they?
I don't know, dragons.
Okay, you're really not getting into the character here, buddy.
I found a new way to go. Let's go. Down ahead. And I found a path that will lead us to the ancient temple of...
Uranus?
Yeah, the ancient temple of Uranus.
Hey, make sure you have your arm. Oh, not. Ow. 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 Okay. Nobody warned me there was gonna be sticker bushes.
Nope, that way.
Wait for me. Wait for me.
There's right there. Go through this path. This one right here. Go that way.
Why can't we go that way?
Because there's a place over here.
But where?
I'm gonna show you. It's over here.
Okay, fine. Follow him. You know, I'm kind of a big giant here, and be careful. Don't fall in. Oh, careful! Don't let that snap back and slap us. Wait. Okay, you go first, Elijah. Watch your brother. Hey, watch your brother.
Careful, don't slip. Another animal den.
Wait for me. I must make sure it's safe.
Oh, sorry. Let's go this way.
Wait, hold this. Tua, come here, Tua. We need your animal magic. Come here. Hurry. Cats, do your spell to find out if there's any living animals in there. What's that one spell I like?
Which one?
Remember?
Azrath Mithril.
Yeah.
Azrath Mithril.
Is it safe?
I don't think so.
And I will do the spell of this shall not pass. Now you have to do your spell from your country of Uranicles.